Alright, so today I am going to be fixing a blacktop driveway. This is Sakrete. It works with an 1 to 4 inch in depth, and this is a blacktop patch. I'll be able to patch up my driveway. This blacktop, find the lowest actual portion of your driveway and just start filling it up. I kind of just guesstimated about the amount of Sakrete that I was going to need. These are 60-pound bags, so I said I'm going to get 20 bags and then I'm going to fill it as needed. I have experimented with this before. I've never blended this blacktop patch before. This time I'm going to try to blend it, and I'm going to try to use other products as well. But I just used a regular tamper to just tamp it down. When you are laying this down, it's pretty easy to work with. It just takes time, and it just takes a lot of beating. So if you're unsatisfied on one end is a little bit higher than the other one, just beat it into place and continue to do that until you finish. And yeah, that helps. Just don't touch it. It's gonna stain your feet. But you can do the other one if you want. There's another one. Don't step on it.
Why is it so hard?
It's supposed to be like that. The sun's gonna cook it tomorrow.
Why was he talking to William?
Oh, let me borrow that other one.
Are you wearing my car? Yeah. Let's go. You guys go inside. This is not even good.
What did you make for dinner?
Lasagna.
Oh shit, I want lasagna. So continue to use your tamper and press it as tight as possible. I use my level from the right and the left side, and I continue to tamp it and get it as tight as possible. Once I feel satisfied with the actual leveling of it and how it looks, I'm gonna stop and then just actually call it a day.
You know, like it sounds different. See? It's still like this. And I keep doing this. Sounds getting harder.
You're a pro at this shit.
So when I hear the different sound, like
Oh yeah?
yeah, like this.
You wanna get it harder?
No, like, and then I
No.
move next.
Next? Oh, that's the bad sound, right? You wanna
Yeah,
get
it's
that
the
hard?
best sound.
It's not hard enough?
No.
That's why I don't have good experience, guys, with this sound.
But this is a good sound. Hard sound.
Pro.
Where's the fucking camera? This is the
You're a pro.
this is a hard sound. You see here this? Not at all. Well,
Shake it, mama. Okay, make it hard.
see? Hear different?
Yeah, totally. I hear it.
But with that tool, I cannot hear. That tool is too small.
Yeah, you need the big one to get it hard. You heard it here, like, must pound it until it gets hard.
Yeah, pound it to get you hard. You pound more, it gets really hard sound.
Pound it until it gets hard. And that's it. I mean, patch looks a lot better. I could fill up here and there, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get another 10-15 more bags. And I don't have enough to connect this, but it's not a big deal. Looks really cool. I like it.